So I go in my calendar, I can choose my availability. So I can say, all right, based on my time zone. So let's say I can move it to Eastern Standard Time. I am going to be available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but this is the time Monday, I'm going to be available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for appointment. And Tuesday through Friday, I'm going to be available 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to be available. So this is my availability. So if I go into a lead, let's say if I'm trying to set up an appointment for myself, I click on add appointment. So appointment for Sharad. And let's say first, I'm going to try to set up an appointment for 17. So you notice it doesn't show any time slots available. Same thing for Sunday, doesn't show any time slots available. But if I go into Monday, it's going to show me 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. available. And you'll notice it's automatically defaulted to my time zone that I have available.